Is your 2017 Camaro key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot the most frequent culprits, a dead battery or the need for reprogramming. First, check the battery. The fob uses a CR232 lithium battery. Pry open the fob, replace the battery ensuring the positive side is up, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, reprogramming is likely needed. Try cycling the ignition and pressing the lock button on the fob. You can also use an OBD2 scanner app for this process. These steps solve most issues reported with 2017 Camaro key fobs. Advanced troubleshooting, receiver resets, and expert tips. When battery replacement and reprogramming fail, the issue may be with the receiver module in the car's body control module, or BCM. A hard reset of the BCM receiver may be required. To do this, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 30 seconds. Then turn the ignition off. This can reset the module. Also remember that cheap aftermarket batteries fail faster. If problems continue, consult a mechanic. Corroded contacts or a faulty BCM may require professional attention. Consider using an OBD2 app to test key fob health.